Today we're going to be measuring objects. When we ask how long something is, it's hard to explain without using measurements. So today we will be measuring this planner. One object we can use to measure a planner are these cubes. Now we can line up these cubes to see how long the planner is. So as we do that, it will give us a more descriptive way of describing how long this planner is. So we see that all the cubes are lined up the length of the planner. Now all we have to do is count the cubes to see how long the planner is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we can say the planner is 9 cubes long. We can also use other objects that we can find maybe more easily around the house, such as paper clips. So let's try this again. We'll use paper clips to measure the length of this planner. We see it's a little off, but we can round. It'll give us a more descriptive way of measuring the planner. So we count the paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a half. So we can say the planner is 5.5 paper clips long. One thing to remember when we are measuring is that the objects we are using need to be the same size. Like these paper clips. We see both these paper clips are the same length. And so anyone can bring a paper clip and get the same measurements we did. Also, we see this with the cubes. We have 2 cubes that they're the same size. And one other thing to remember is to use smaller objects to use smaller to measure smaller and bigger to measure bigger. This planner is smaller, so we use smaller objects such as cubes and paper clips. But if we were to measure something bigger, like the size of a wall or a table, we might use index cards because they're bigger and longer and they take up less. But with this planner, it wouldn't give us much of a description. So now you can try it. Find things around the house you can measure and see how long they are. Have fun!